Shalom, today I am going to tell you about apple fruit. The fruit is a pone that matures in late summer or autumn and cultivars exist in a wide range of sizes. Commercial growers aim to produce an apple that is 7 to 8.5 centimeter in diameter due to market preference. So what's the description of an apple fruit? When harvested, apples are usually roundish, that is 5 to 10 centimeter, 2 to 4 inches in diameter and some shape of red, green or yellow in color. They vary in size, shape and acidity depending on the variety of which there are thousands. So what are the benefits of apple? It protects your heart, it boosts brain health, may help you lose weight, lowers risk of type 2 diabetes, fights cancer. So how do we describe an apple? The apple is one of the fleshy fruits. Apple at harvest vary widely in shape, size, color and acidity, but more are fairly round and some shade of red or yellow. The thousands of varieties fall into three broad classes: cider, cooking and dessert varieties. So why is this apple fruit famous? They have been used as a symbol for everything from beauty to knowledge to original sin. Apples are used in phrases such as the big apple, the apple of my eye, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples dipped in honey are traditionally eaten to celebrate Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year. So what is special about apples? Apples are a good source of nutrients including fiber, vitamin C and antioxidant which can help support healthy digestion, brain health and weight management. There is evidence that apples can also protect against certain chronic diseases including cancer, heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So why do we call it a fruit? Fruits derive from the ovary and other accessory floral parts of which are called false fruits. On the contrary, true fruits are those fruits which develop from the ovary but do not consist of the thalamus or any other floral part. In an apple, the fleshy receptacle forms the main edible part. Apple, formerly Apple Computer, is a national technology. So what is the real name of apple fruit? It's called Malus pumila, but is also referred to as Malus domestica, Malus sylvestria, Malus communis and Pyrus malus. The extensive crossing of genetic lines have made it very difficult to differentiate the apple into taxonomically different species. So what are the vitamins found in apples? Vitamin C. Apple contains a high amount of vitamin C. This is a powerful natural antioxidant that can help boost your body's resistance to both infectious agents and damage caused by free radicals. Each time you eat an apple, you'll get a healthy dose of this important vitamin B complex. Vitamins are also found in apples. So now you can ask whether can I eat an apple every day. There is no strict limit on how many apples one can eat in a day. However, like any healthy food, they should be eaten as part of a well-balanced diet. On an average, consuming 1 or 2 apples a day is a common and beneficial for most people. So apples are good for kids. Vitamin C, the immunity booster. Just like a superhero shield, vitamin C helps protect your body from getting sick. It's like a strong force field that fights off bad germs, keeping you strong and healthy. So the apple Malus domestica is a hugely popular fruit eaten all over the world as a snack or in a dessert. So let's see the fleshy, usually round apple and yellow, green or yellow edible pone fruit of a tree, genus Mollis of the rose family. So, what's the history of apples? Apples are not native to North America. They originated in Kazakhstan in Central Asia east of Caspian Sea, Alma-Ata, capital of Kazakhstan until 1997, means full of apples. By 1500 BC, apple seeds have been carried throughout Europe. So let's see about the interesting facts about apples. Apples make up half of the world's deciduous fruit tree production. Over 2,500 varieties of apples are grown in the United States. Apples contain malic acid. Apple pie is North American. Apples are high in fiber. Apples are 24% air. A bushel of apples weigh about 42 pounds. So why do we love apples? We all like apples not only because they are crunchy and delicious but also because they are highly nutritious. Let us talk about the health benefits we get from eating an apple a day. So why is apple good for health? So take it away. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Eating them is linked to a lower chance of getting many chronic conditions including diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Apples may also promote weight loss and improve gut and brain health. So who gave apple this name? Apples were given this name by Mollis Citrus. So the difference between the fruits and vegetables seems obvious. For example, we all know that apples are fruits and cucumbers are vegetables, but are they really? Apples are indeed fruits, but you might be surprised to learn that cucumbers are botanically speaking a fruit as well. So what's the scientific name of apple? Mollis pumila is acquired scientific name for apple, but it is also known as Mollis domestica, Mollis sylvestria, Mollis communis and Pyrus mollis according to Integrated Taxonomic Information System. So what is an Indian apple? Indian apple is a common name for several plants and may refer to Podophyllum pelatrimum, a toxic herbaceous perennial plant, a fruit-bearing plant native to Asia. So what vitamin is absent in apple? Apples are not high in vitamin A nor are they beneficial for vision like carrots. They are not a great source of vitamin C and therefore do not fight off colds as oranges do. Now can you ask me whether we can eat apples at night? Apples contain a combination of nutrients that may contribute a good night's sleep. However, the amount of nutrients in apples is not significant, so it is unlikely that apples can promote sleep. That said, they shouldn't inhibit sleep either. So is it apple a protein or a vitamin? Now let's talk about apple nutrition. They don't offer protein, but apples are a good source of vitamin C and fiber. One medium apple has about 100 calories, that is 25 grams of carbohydrates. Is apple good for our skin? The humble apple has many exceptional nutritional properties to help maintain healthy and glowing skin, especially in the coldest winter months. Rich in vitamins A, B complex and C, eating apples regularly benefits your skin by helping to get rid of pathogens and excessive oil. Now can I eat 5 apples a day? Eating 5 apples a day can be a part of a healthy diet, as apples are a good source of fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. However, it's important to consider the overall balance of your diet and your calorie needs when determining how many apples you should eat in a day. Now can I eat apple in an empty stomach? An apple a day keeps the doctor away, goes the saying, and it stands true especially when eaten on an empty stomach. Apples are high in pectin, a type of fiber that aids digestion and helps in controlling hunger pangs. So is apples good for our brain? beneficial for brain health. They also have properties that may help function with brain function. According to Alchemias, a study was done in 2014. It was found that the fruit like apples contained a compound called fisetin that may prevent Alzheimer's and protect against memory loss. Is apples good for babies? Apples are rich in antioxidants as well as vitamin A and C, which has been shown to be helpful for boosting immune function and collagen production, not just for babies but for everyone. And apples are high in soluble fiber, which is good for digestive health as well as blood pressure and blood sugar regulation. So, how many apples can I eat? 2 apples. Eating 2 apples a day is good for heart health. You can eat any kind of apple as long as you eat the peel. Apple peels contain many antioxidants that help fight cancer. Researchers suggest that it is best to get antioxidants from fruits and vegetables rather from the dietary supplements. So, how big is apple? Apple is a round and a big size which can be eaten by anyone. So, apple is good for health. Which apple is good for health? Red delicious apples, they got more polyphenolic compounds than most of our other apples, with most of the nutrition in the skin. So be sure not to peel them before chewing down. Red delicious apples contain more anthocyanins that provide the color. So friends, I have given you lot of health benefits of apple. So catch you in another episode. Bye.